It was the year 1984. India had its first female athlete, P.T. Usha, qualified for the Olympic finals. India had a heartbreaking loss in the 400-meter hurdle finals when P.T. Usha missed the bronze medal by 1/100th of the second. But she made the nation proud by winning a total of 6 medals with 5 golds in Jakarta Asian Games.
Went to Los Angeles. Nambiar Sarno, my coach, he entered my name in pre-Olympics. He came to know that there is a pre-Olympics in Inglewood. So I will get one exposure thinking that, and he entered my name there. And I participated with Judy Brown King, American, that silver medalist, no? And I beaten her and came first. I ran with her and came first. That is only with that confident I participated in the Los Angeles.
With that 55-54, she's in a great spot. She can see everyone. She can run off everyone else's pace.
Really unheard of when she showed up in Los Angeles, 20 years old. It's a fair start with Brown in lane 8, and Flintoff has pulled up in lane 6 and is also a
Athlete contests like running, jumping and throwing are the oldest and the most elite of all sports. Evidence of athletic events in the prehistoric era can be found in Egyptian tomb illustration as early as 2250 BC. The origin of athlete competitions is traced back to ancient Greece. The first recorded Olympics was held in 776 BC with only one event called Stadion. Competitors had to run the length of stadium, which was around 190 meters. A cook named Corybus of Elis won the event. The Olympics was held as part of religious festival to praise Zeus. The participants were males and had to run naked in games. The first 13 Olympics had the only stadion as the event. Eventually, other games were added like wrestling, horse races and pentathlon. Pentathlon consisted of series of 5 games: the discus, long jump, javelin, running and wrestling, and was based on skills needed on the battlefield. The term athlete comes from 2 Greek words, athlos and athlon, meaning contest and prize. Athletics evolved throughout history with the addition of new games, rules and forms. Athletics now consist of track and field games, road running, cross-country running and race walking. The only athlete who has won Olympic medals in athletics for India is the British Indian Norman Pritchard in 1900. He won 2 silver medals for 200 meters and 200 meters hurdles. Like Milkha Singh, P.T. Usha and Anju Bobby George, many Indian athletes have won medals in athletics in international competition. The promising young stars like Hima Das and Duti Chand are the hope for India's first medal in athletics in Olympics. By discovering promising talents and providing proper training facilities, India can nurture fine athletics who can take the nation to the forefront to all the competitive sports.
I'm very happy. I'm first girl of India, track and field gold medalist, so I'm very happy. So special thanks my Indian, and especially thanks my coaches Nippon sir, Navjit sir, and my team coach Miss Galina and Basant Singh sir. And especially big thank you for AFY Athlete Federation of India. She's all over support me and support all players. Thank you so much.
The World Athletics Day was celebrated in 1996 for the first time. Trimini Boilo, the then president of International Amateur Athletic Federation IAAF, introduced the event. IAAF, currently known as World Athletics. The aim of this day is to promote participation in athletics among youngsters. World Athletics Day is the part of IAAF's social responsibility project, Athletics for a Better World. In today's world, with increased obesity rates among youngsters, it has become an important matter to bring awareness to people about fitness. Thus, the World Athletics Day is celebrated to make people aware the various issues concerning health and promote physical fitness. World Athletics Day is celebrated in the month of May on any chosen date by World Athletics every year. The most common types of athletics compilations include on this day are track and field, road running, race walking and cross country. Significance of World Athletics Day. World Athletics Day initially aimed only on participation of children who were members of clubs affiliated to World Athletics Federations. Later on, the scope of the project has broadened to include the participation of school children in team competitions. World Athletics Day gained global attention. More than 100 countries take part in this event. Playing sports helps a person be healthy and strong. Athletics have lower BMI as compared to no athletic people. It is important to encourage youngsters to take part in these events for a healthy, fit future. Everyone regarding of age must take part in such events, be healthy conscious and do some regular walking, running or other activities for better health. Staying active will help in lowering the rate of high BP and diabetes. Have an energetic World Athletics Day to all of you.